Hi, I'm Austin with Kendall Chevrolet, Buick GMC. Today I'm going to show you just how simple it is to ask Siri for help in your new Chevy Silverado.
Begin.
So you're driving along, going to find the nearest restaurant, or find out what the score of the game is, or just want to know what the weather is going to be. The trick is you have to have your phone connected to either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. If you are connected, all you have to do is hold down this button on the steering wheel for a couple of seconds and wait for Siri to engage. Call Mason Chevy.
Calling Mason Chevy.
Where is the nearest McDonald's?
Okay, here's what I found.
What is the weather forecast for tomorrow?
Should be sunny tomorrow. Daytime temperatures will hover around 52 degrees, with overnight lows around 23 degrees.
It's just that simple, and now you know. For more on Chevy, Buick, or GMC, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our showroom, or check out our website at kendallchevroletbuickgmc.com. Kendall, let's start something great.